Hey everyone, let me show you today how I clean my Thermomix chemical free. I've filled the bowl up to the max line with water and I'm adding 2 slices of fresh lemon. Then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of bicarb. And once you've done that, just place the lid on top. And we're going to set the time for 20 minutes and our temperature to 100 degrees and the blade speed to 2. Now let that cook for the 20 minutes. Once cooked, we're going to discard all the water and contents out into the sink. And with a non-scratch scourer, I'm gently rubbing the edge of the bowl to remove the stains. It will take about 1 minute to completely clean the rest of your bowl. Thanks for watching. Subscribe below and hit the bell.
Don't forget to hit the like button.